Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to watch NBA on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, all you have to do is just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar is out, just go open the store. And as you open the store, search for NBA. And as you search it, you can scroll all the way down where you can see this option NBA Arena. And all you have to do is just click on the view details. Let's go! But as you can see, it's not available in our country, so I can't get it. But for you guys, if it's there, just go there and get the app. And after you download it, play live games in the side of the arena. So guys, that's how you watch NBA on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.